Hi guys, how you guys doing? Nello here, you guys already know, with a very beautiful face, and I'm so happy today. Can you guys tell? Can you see how excited I am? You know, when you already know that today's look is going to be a 10 over 10, when you already know the look is gonna be bomb, that's how I'm feeling today. And today's wig is from RPGSHOW. This is the wig. It's from RPGSHOW. And you guys, I've been working with RPGSHOW for years and years, and everything RPG is a 10 from me, okay? So I'm going to be having a quick chat with you all while we get our hair laid. It comes in this box right here. This box is very nice. I always repurpose. I always tell you guys. So in the package, I get a hair wax, a tamer. I also get this band for securing my wig, which you already know we're using today. And then there's a wig cap, a thank you note, and then the specs of the wig, which I'm going to list out down below or on the screen eventually. Guys, and finally the star of the show. Obviously you must have seen the video on the thumbnail, but the color, gosh, I chose this wig, by the way. This color, it was just like calling my name, and I had to tell them that I want to try this wig on. Can you guys look? Can you see this color? Like, can you see this color? This hair is so gorgeous already. It has some coils, but I don't know if I'll still call it today or not. Like the lace on this wig, RPGSHOW, their laces. Let me show you guys how good this thing is. Like, once you cut it, nobody's going to know you have a lace on, and you're not going to have to do anything to the wig. They've also bleached the knot, so you don't have to bleach it anymore. You guys can see like it's brown. It's been bleached. It's going to blend perfectly. And the plucking, they always pluck their wigs really well, and their hairline as well. See what I mean by the plucking? I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's already been plucked. And I love the hairline. You can wear this wig glueless. It has that new invisible scalp look. So like, trust me, you guys are going to see, I'm not going to be using any glue. You guys know that we don't even like glues on this channel. And the hair is 20 inches, which is quite long. And the hair density is 200%, which is just perfect. I should also mention that even though this is center part, you can make it side part or anything because it has free parts. So you guys can see there's enough space for it to party. So it's center now, you can make it side, slant, like, yeah, you can do whatever you want with it. But we're going to be wearing it center today. I'm just so excited. There's just something about this wig that excites me. So without further ado, let's go on and put this on my head. I should also mention it has a band, which I always use. So let's just get to fixing. Okay, you guys, so quick tip. Before I lay my wig, I always spray it with like a hairspray or something, and then use my hot comb to comb it all back so that it looks something like this. I hope you guys can see. So all the hair is laid back, nothing is flying off. That way, once I put it on, I'm not going to have like distractions when I'm fixing it. Always make sure to do this, and it will make your process way easier. And can you guys see the shape of this hairline? It looks so natural. It's not cut straight. Like, it actually has like a lot of dimensions. Can you see what I mean? Like, this one goes like this, goes in, comes out, goes in, comes out, like so much dimensions. So this hair is going to look gorgeous when I put it on. Guys, so I actually went ahead and removed the wig cap just because I don't know, like, I don't want to do too much. I want to show you guys the best possible, easiest way to wear this wig without doing too much. That being said, I'm going to be using this bedhead hairspray for the wig, and this is all I'm going to be using. No glue whatsoever, just one layer of this spray. I'm not going to do more than one layer because I want it to easily come out. Like, I don't want it to look glued or anything. I'm just going to use this spray, and then I'm going to use hair mousse. Nothing major. Guys, can you see the lace on this wig? I've not done anything. I've not even put foundation. I've not tied it down to actually melt. Absolutely nothing, just my hairspray. Like, that's it, just my holding spray. No glue, nothing. And look at how bomb it looks. Like, can you guys see this? Like, it looks so good. So I can now imagine how it look when I'm done and when I'm done blending. Anyways, I'm going to use their hairband now to actually melt the wig while I style it. Now it's time for styling, and let's actually catch up. How you guys doing? You know when you know that you're already, like, your look is going to turn out, oops, 10 over 10. That's how I'm feeling right now. Like, you can't tell me shit, you can't tell me nothing, because I already know that this wig is gonna be bomb. Okay, so it came with like waves. I'm trying to comb it out so that I'll figure out exactly how I want to coil the hair. You guys can see that it has waves, so I'm just going to restyle this wig. I really want to style this hair well, because after going through all this, if you don't style it well, then like, what did you really do? I know I've not given you guys like update of myself in a minute, so I'm sure some of you might have noticed. Yeah, some of you might have noticed that for the past few months, actually, I have someone else that has been staying with me. To be honest, I just didn't want to officially introduce her to the channel, just in case things don't work out. But she's been here now since March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So she's been here now for 7 months. Yeah, so maybe one of these days I'll officially introduce her to the channel. Whether it works out or not at this point, at least, you know, 7 months is something. I didn't want the one I'll introduce and then 2 weeks later I'll tell you guys, oh, remember that girl I introduced you guys to? She's gone again. Because somehow, everybody that lives, ouch, just burnt my hand. Somehow, right, most people that live in this house kind of become family members, and you guys know them. And whether it works out or not, to be honest, it is what it is. But 7 months is a long time, and she's been doing well. Uche and I will probably sit down and do an update video, because a lot is changing. Trying to talk and do hair at the same time is actually not easy, especially this kind of hair that like I have to coil. I actually at some point wanted to use like bendy rollers, but I changed my mind last minute. But if you have the time, and that's because I actually don't have the time, like if you have the time, right, you can use bendy rollers in the night and it's going to come out so full, luscious and gorgeous, like by the time you're ready, like to like wear the wig. Anyways, as I was saying, our dynamic is changing a lot. So yeah, me and Uche will do an updated video. If you guys have questions for us, maybe I'll put it on my community tab actually, like so that you guys can ask us questions. So now I'm done with the front ones. For the back ones, I'm literally just going to do the tips. So you guys, I'm done coiling the wig, and right now I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup and then come back and finish this video, because I don't want to like bore you guys with my makeup. Maybe I should actually film my like makeup routine or something. I don't know, but we'll see. Anyways, I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Guys, I love my makeup. I feel like it turned out so well. I love it. Like, I love everything about it. Okay, so now it is time to finish up the hair. Okay, I'm feeling so cute. Oh, I need to put on earrings, but we'll get to that. I'm feeling so cute. So I'm just going to remove the clips that I used to hold the coils in place. To be honest, I don't even know what I was doing. Some of them stayed, some of them did not stay, but oh well. Oh, look at the gorgeous coils. Look at the gorgeousness of these coils. Now let me tell you guys, this hair, the color, I'm sure, like, I don't think this is a very common color, but it's one of those colors that are so nice. Like, if you have been wanting to try like a gold wig, but like you don't want to buy something so bright, then this is the color for you. This wig is gorgeous. Like, it is too gorgeous. Oh, I even forgot I've not removed this band. The hair was already looking too nice, even with the band still on. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it. I already know that the hair came out perfect. Like, can you guys see the lace on this wig? It's so gorgeous. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and brush the hair, but we don't want to brush it too much, just ever so lightly, so that we don't brush away all the waves that we just, you know, try to make. Oh, so cute. It's so cute. I'm so happy with the way this hair turned out. Like, I'm super happy with the way it turned out. Then I'm going to be spraying this holding spray, I'll be this what's it called, ultra set, just so that the coils don't actually what's it called, so that the coils will last me all day. Guys, oh my gosh, guys, can you guys see your girl? Like, can you actually see me? This wig is so gorgeous. Like, who is this? Who is this? Like, who is this actually? This wig is so beautiful. RPGSHOW, you guys did a thing with this wig. Can you guys see the gorgeous coil? Like, it takes coils so freaking well. It's so amazing. I'm feeling myself, like the way I'm feeling myself right now. And this lace, you guys, this lace is everything. It's their new invisible knot, and it is so nice. It looks like real scalp, and you seriously don't have to do anything to it whatsoever. Let me just plug you guys on something, okay? RPGSHOW Black Friday sales is coming up. They're going to be having their biggest discounts and flash sale this November, so you guys need to keep an eye out on the website. I'm going to put all the links you need. They're going to be in my description box. You guys need to keep an eye out on the website, because you're going to get the best deals ever. Like, imagine getting this gorgeousness at a discount. Like, seriously, this wig is everything and more. Okay, it's everything and more. It's giving all that it's supposed to give, then it added something on top, because, like, can you guys see this? Like, can you actually see this? Anyways, you guys, just check out my description box for all the details you need, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Because, see, your girl is feeling herself. I need to go create content and do some other things, so I'll catch you guys in my next video. Check my description box. All the details you need will definitely be there. Bye, guys.